Okay, this is a very quick video on rounding, talking about decimal places and significant figures. Hopefully you guys all know this, but I just thought I'd quickly do a video on it anyway, just in case. So decimal places, we abbreviate that with DP, and that just means that we are rounding a question accordingly. So for example, if we had 0.89722 and we wanted to round that to 2 decimal places, we would have to cut it off there, and so we would round it to 0.90 because the 7 would make that round up, and we just write 2dp so that the people looking at our work know that we've rounded it. Another example, 58.73338. Let's go to 3dp with this one, and so we'd be rounding off here. So because the 3 is the next digit, we don't round this 3 up, we just leave it as 3, and so we would write it as 58.733, and that would be to 3dp. Okay, significant figures, which we abbreviate with SF, are a similar concept and they follow the same rule. It's just that you're not dealing with decimal places, you're dealing with actual figures. So say if we had 0.832893 and we wanted to go to 4 significant figures, so we'd be cutting it off there. We'd write this as 0.8329 because the 9 would make that 8 round up, and we'd write 4SF. Okay, let's look at another example. 60,321, and we'll do this one to 3SF, and so we'd be cutting it off after here. So 1, 2, 3 figures, and the rest becomes irrelevant. So we would simply write that as 60300. So we've rounded it to the nearest 100, and we just write here 3SF. Okay, so sometimes 0 can be significant and sometimes it's not. So you'll notice in this question it's not significant because these are our 4 significant figures. In this question, 0 is significant here because it's between 2 digits, but these zeros are not significant, they are just our rounding placeholders. So just be careful how you treat 0 when you're doing rounding. There's no work for this, I just wanted to make sure that you knew what it was all about. Thank you.